Hello everyone. In this exercise of the SolidWorks, we will we will understand how to apply the internal threads and external threads on bolt. I go in the SolidWorks file, new part, this one. This is SolidWorks interface. I am selecting from here plane white and unit system is the millimeter. Firstly, I am taking the front plane, sketch and draw a polygon, this one, hexagon. This one, I am taking this side. This is 25. I am taking the dimension, this one, but the sketch is not fully defined. I am selecting this line and take the horizontal, now fully defined. This one, future, extrude boss base. Now it is taking the mid plane. Height is 10 mm total. Okay, this one. Select this face, sketch, I am drawing a circle. This one and this one. Shift this, click this line, relation tangent. Okay. Now I am future, go in the future, extrude cut, flip side cut. But this is, I am taking 5 mm cut only. But angle is the angle, I am taking the 45 degree. Flip side cut, this one. This one. Now future, go in the mirror section. I am taking the mirror. This one, front plane. Front is at the mid plane. Okay, and this one. Select future. I have selected cut extrude. This is the bolt head. Okay, I am selecting this face, sketch, drawing a circle. This one, and I will draw the bolt of M12. So I am taking the dia. This is the 12 mm. 12 mm. And extrude it 70 mm. And this is the mid plane line, and this length is 70 mm. Okay, this is the length. M12 dia. Now future, go in the chamfer section. This one. This is the angle chamfer. This is the angle distance chamfer. And this size I am taking 0.5 mm at 45 degrees. Selecting this edge. Chamfer. Okay. Now for the thread, I go. Firstly, I will draw the internal thread. Whole wizard, thread section. Thread. This thread option is available in the 2018 version and beyond that. Thread. Okay. This one, select this edge, upper one, because thread will start from here. And edge, this surface, and offset I will take later on. Blind distance I am taking 60 mm. 60 mm, suppose I am taking the length of the thread. Okay, this is, I am taking thread 60 mm. And because I will cut the thread, so I will here select the die. And size is the M12 into 1.5. 1.5 is the pitch. If this your concerned size is not coming in this chart, then you click on this one, and then you assign the size as per your requirement. Okay, but my size is coming here. Die, thread size 12 into 1.5, cut thread, die and cut thread. This one, and locate mirror profile I don't require. Right hand thread and this one, but I am taking the X offset. Offset you can take up to the pitch. Pitch is 1.5 mm, so I am taking 3 mm. This is 3 mm, but this is going in the reverse direction. This one. So I am going outside. This one. In this way. you can take edge is selecting, face I am selecting, starting, offset 3 mm, blind 60 mm distance, metric die, cut thread. I am selecting this one. You have selected. But you will see at the end the profile is not okay. So what I will do, you select this surface, sketch, and convert entity. This converted, go in the future, extrude cut, true all, blind, true all. This. Now it is okay. This one. Now this is okay. Now assign the appearance there, this section in front of part, this one, appearance. This one. This is the internal thread. In this way, we can assign the threads. Now I will make the external threads in the same bolt. So how we'll do? I am right click, delete it. Delete it. Thread, delete it. Okay. Appearance, you can remove from here, remove appearance. This is the thread. Now, same bolt, this is the same bolt. And go in the hole wizard again, thread section. Okay. This time edge is same from here. This one. This one, and offset I will take later on, blind, distance 60 mm, metric, this time I will take tab, metric tab. This is the metric tab, and the size is same, M12 into 1.5. This time I will take extrude cut, not cut thread. In the tab case, I will select extrude tab. This one, right hand thread. And offset you can take from here. Offset how much? 3.1, but is going, you will see, this is going, offset is back side. From here you reverse this one, this will outside. But you, here there is, below there is option, thread option, trim width and face. If you click it, this one. But I've done one mistake, thread editing this face. I am selecting this face. And maintain the length. You can take it 1.5 mm. This one. Now you have to enter this one, not end face. Trim with start face. There is at the bottom, there is option, thread option, trim with start face. If you click this one, the thread will start from this end. Okay. If I uncheck it, you will see what is the position. So this figure, this shape comes. I am editing it, right click, editing it. So I am selecting this trim with start face. If you want to trim from the end, you can use this option. Trim with the start face, this one, and this one. In this way, you can right, left, this one. But you will see this this shape is not matching perfectly. So what I will do, as internal thread, select is sketches, convert entity and future, revolve base. Select this axis, this one. Angle you give the 100 degree only. And will come in this way. Now this is okay. This shape is okay. In this way, you can appearance in the future tree manager, air, appearance, and metal. You can give the nickel, brushed nickel. This way you can give isometric. In this way you can apply the threads in the both external and internal. In the external case, you have to select the tap and extrude option, and the internal threads you have to select the die and cut option. In this way you can draw it. I hope you would have enjoyed in this exercise. You please subscribe my this channel and like and share, and thanks for watching. Okay.